Do you know how to take care of your acute low back pain? Follow along with me as I show you my 4 favorite moves to tackle acute low back pain. First exercise is a hip flexor stretch. You want to come down into the half kneeling position, tighten your glute on the leg that's down, the knee that's down, slightly shift forward, creating the stretch anteriorly through your hip flexor. You're going to reach up to the ceiling, slightly rotate, and lean over. This will create a stretch down the anterior aspect of your front side into the hip flexor, okay? I want you to perform these for 30 seconds and do about 5 of them to help release the anterior aspect of your hip flexor. Second move, lumbar windshield wipers. Come down onto the floor, onto your back, knees up, bring the feet slightly wider than your knees, and then you're going to start just bringing your knees side to side, getting a little bit of a stretch through the hips and your low back. If you can only go this far, that's okay. With each movement, you should get a little deeper and it should help release some pain on your lower back. I like to do about 10 of these each way whenever you're experiencing that low back pain. Move number 3 is where we start to stabilize our core to hopefully take some pressure off of that lower back. You're going to lie down on your back, head down, knees up in the tabletop position. We're going to put our hands on the front of our knees, and we're going to press our hands into our knees, but resist with our knees. So you're going to feel the contraction here in your transverse abdominis. If you want to increase the resistance and make this a little bit harder, we're going to lift our head, tuck our chin, and then push. 4, 5. Great. I like to do 5-second holds on the push and repeat 10 times. Fourth move is a plank. We're going to use the plank to do an isometric stabilization on our core to release pressure on the lower back. We're going to come down onto our elbows, knees back, and then you're going to lift the knees in the air, right? Tightening your core, your glutes, and your quads, looking straight down, slightly lifting the stomach and pushing through our elbows to lift the chest away from the ground. Feel the contraction in your core. Once done, knees down, and then come back up. I like to do these for about 15 to 30 seconds and repeat 5 times.